Summer in the Sierra. Gotta love it. Welcome to Moro Rock. This is one of the most spectacular panoramic views available in the Sierra for everyday travelers. The Moro Rock stands about 295 feet above the parking lot. It's got 350 granite steps that climb up to the top of the dome and gives you views of the Great Western Divide, Mount Silliman, and Mount Alta, among others. You can't see Mount Whitney from here, but it's hiding right behind that divide. But that doesn't take away from this great trip. Moro Rock is a big old granite dome that has a guardrail or short wall the whole way up, so it's safe for most visitors. And at 295 feet, most visitors can get it done in 30 minutes to an hour. It's got some spectacular views all the way around, but we love visiting on a clear summer day. This is a little bit of a cloudy day here, and really being able to take that Great Western Divide look in and see things like the Black Quaw and the High Sierra route, or at least you can imagine where the High Sierra route's at. I've been there in a cloud bank before and climbed this where you couldn't see 15 feet off the rock. And I definitely say that's pretty unique, but you definitely want to do it on a clear day. So uh, it's a great, easy access thing if you go to the Great Giant Museum or the Great Forest Museum and park there and grab the shuttle bus back. The shuttle bus ride's only a few minutes long. Get out right at the steps and climb up, spend your time there, and then catch the shuttle afterwards and head to Crescent Meadow and hike to General Sherman. That's what we generally do for our day experience. If you are traveling with a car, there are about 20 parking spots back there. If the road's open for the day, you can try that. And then that is also near the tunnel log, just a little bit down the road. So those are some of the common attractions back in this area. But again, the star of the show for me is Moro Rock. It's a can't miss spot in Sequoia National Park and something that everyone should try to experience and just see the Sierra from such a unique perspective. Again, one of the great all-time panoramic views. Best visited during sunrise and sunset. I have not made it to either of those yet, but I suspect sunset is a little more crowded of experience because sunrise, people don't like to get up early. So get up early, go enjoy sunrise. That's what I would do. Although I haven't been able to make it there yet at that time of day. So please enjoy that. I hope you enjoy Moro Rock, and we highly suggest it as one of your next stops in the Sierra Nevada.